The very last thing I have to show you guys is an emergency scenario. Let's say you guys are up in the air, you've lost power, and you're going down with the emergency descent. If for some reason the emergency descent trips the brake, so going down and the brake trips, you guys know that you need power to reset this brake. But we were using the emergency descent because there was no power. You're stuck, you're fucked. This saves your life. 1/2-inch socket and a ratchet. There's normally, sorry Stevie, normally a plug on the top of this motor. I took it off before we started. If you zoom in there, you'll see a 1/2-inch nut. I always say lefty, lifty. This takes quite a bit of pumps, it turns. You put the socket in there, turn to the left to lift, or counterclockwise, and you keep pumping. It takes like 15 to 20 turns, and eventually you'll take tension off the wheel. It literally moves this cable millimeters at a time. You're not moving the motor a lot, but it lets you eventually get the tension off the line enough to reset the brake like that. So that little socket lets you move, and then once you reset the brake, you can go down without power again. Always take your time when you're doing the emergency descent. Don't go full throttle. Go 5 to 10 feet, stop. 5 to 10 feet, stop. That'll prevent this from even happening, but in case it does, 1/2-inch socket and a ratchet. I think we've covered it all, guys. That's how you feed and check your motors. If you have any more questions, ask me and I'll fill you in.